Are you looking for replacement windows for your home in Airdrie? GreenFox Windows and Doors is your source for Canadian-made windows that will provide you with years of utility bill savings, comfort, and peace of mind. But what can you expect to pay for your new windows? Well, as it turns out, a few factors can have a big impact on your replacement costs. Let's start with the frame materials for your window replacements. Your list of potential options includes vinyl, aluminum, and fiberglass. We manufacture and recommend high-grade vinyl for your home. Why? High-grade vinyl is durable, energy efficient, and easy to maintain. It also tends to cost less than other replacement window frames. This means you can save money during replacement, lower your utility bills, and worry less about window maintenance. Your costs also depend on the types of windows you need. Smaller, simpler window types are generally less expensive. In addition, our standard windows cost less than our custom windows. Next are your window features. Triple pane windows, for example, require a slightly higher investment. However, they're more energy efficient and will save you money on utility bills over time. Last but not least is the company you choose to replace your windows. At GreenFox Windows and Doors, we focus solely on premium quality products and installation methods. This is all backed up by our unconditional 25-year warranty. The end result for you is vital peace of mind, comfort, and lower utility costs. Ready to schedule your cost-effective window replacement? Just call us today at 825-862-0070.